Smells like hot oil.
I wonder why. So we are out at the dunes. We've been here for a couple days. We decided to come out for a night ride for Nate's birthday. What day is your actual birthday?
September 8th.
It's not even close to September 8th.
9/8/8/9.
So this is not for your birthday, it's just a dune trip.
No, this is for his birthday. Come on now.
We're doing hood rat shit with my hood rat friends.
So it is the next day. We're at the beach. This dog is barking a lot, but we're just hanging out, relaxing. Riley's playing in the sand, and all of a sudden a bunch of people showed up because they're having a wedding right there, I guess. So congratulations. Oh, and you see that thing right there? That thing's a lot of fun. You're going to see more of that later. Let's roll.
Oh, very slowly.
That's why we didn't go up there. It looks a little on the tight side.
Oh, jeez. Woo! Woo!
That was tight.
Yeah, look, that's why I didn't go up there. Saturday night at Banshee Hill.
Oh my God, there's so many.
Yeah. What's that?
That's my old Jeep.
You just found your old Jeep at the dunes?
Yeah, I gave it to him. We tough trucked the hell out of that thing and gave it to us. He said he broke the motor mount off, and I was like, I had nothing to do with that.
Alright, so this is Banshee Hill. It's where everybody lines up and races up the steep hill up this side and then comes down that side. Over and over and over again. And while you race up the hill, you can get a view of the sunset over the beach. Alright, he's going for it, the Gladiator. Oh, he's gonna do it! Where did this guy come from? You're kidding me? A super.
What week is this?
I guess he's not done yet.
That's what they all say.
That was awesome.
I loved every bit of that.
That sucked. You gotta go harder.
Oh. You weren't kidding, that was a good one. Yeah, I think that's the problem.
Jeep stuff.
It's a Jeep thing, you wouldn't understand in your Chevy Tracker.
You wouldn't understand. What did it hit?
The earth.
The earth.
So after a lot of high RPM dune runs last night, I have a check engine light and am definitely only running on 5 cylinders. So I'm pulling some spark plugs out to see how they look, and that's the 5th one I pulled out, and it still looks like not great but decent. Gaps are a little on the big side, but now I just got the hardest one to do right there, and hopefully we find what the problem is. I don't know. I pulled out all the plugs, they all seem fine. Checked temperatures on all the exhaust ports, and they're all kind of within range. So I did factory reset, which is where you just disconnect the battery for a bit. And good enough, so we're gonna run it. Alright, for those asking about the RV, to put it simply, Big Country RV in Bend, Oregon is a joke. Absolutely worthless pile of shit. So yes, our water heater does work now. They tried to tell us that is not a warranty item, even though this thing is brand new and it went out right away. So I refused to pay for that and told them if they wanted to get paid, they could figure out how to make it a warranty. They did move the freshwater tank inside to fix the spilling out problem, and I wanted to pick it up. This whole fill ring was like off center and open and not sealed at all, and it's like, yeah, the part that you put water in should probably be sealed. So I made them take it back and silicone it, and when they did, they gouged a nice scratch in right there while they pried it back off. Yeah, they told us they fixed the vent issue with the tank so it didn't spill water anymore when you filled it, and clearly that was a lie. They also unbolted and moved the awning for some reason and left an open hole right there that I had to silicone when I got it back. The trim molding that was inside they're supposed to fix, they didn't. I made them do that. There's still a bunch of other stuff on it, like the heat shield between the exhaust and the propane tank, that I have to fix because they just simply can't. So to put it simply, yes, it did go back in finally after 8 months on a brand new RV. It did finally go back to get some stuff done. They did do some stuff. They didn't fix everything. I made them redo some stuff because what they did fix, they screwed up, and they just caused more problems doing that. And yeah, so overall, they're a joke. That's that. But what's not a joke is Rusty and this Morrflate 10.6 compressor with the 4-tire inflation system. I've been running these tires at like 5-6 pounds out in the sand. We're getting ready to head down the road to the animal park right now, so I'm airing them back up. I air up to about 25 pounds, and that compressor does all 4 37-inch tires in right at 5 minutes. If you're looking for the fast and easy way to air down and air up your tires, I cannot recommend that Morrflate compressor enough, and there's a link to it in the description down below. It is a beautiful day for a drive on the coast.
What do you think?
Gorgeous.
Ryan, what do you think of today? Okay, so we're at Safari Park now, and they were not kidding when they said the animals are all over you if you have food. Whoa. Hi, bud. Here. What do you think of that, Rye?
They think we have food.
Good doggy.
You can pet back here. Yeah.
We want to take a selfie. William wants to take a selfie with her.
Oh no, it's a shame of a sheep.
So what are we doing? We're gonna go get stuck, okay? Oh, come on, why'd you back off?
I pussied out.
Yeah! So the tracker is doing like amazingly well in the sand. It's actually going around easier than the TJ-6.
It's a matter of rev limiter.
is that why it's so like, sounds like a diesel right now? What's that knocking sound?
Rod bearings. The difference, Casey, is I paid nothing for this vehicle.
And I paid a lot for that one. You're too short to even get high centered.
It's the driver.
Well, you ready to go do hood rat stuff?
Let's get it done.
This is Mike.
Here we go, huh?
He's so short, he doesn't even high center.
Golf cart, man. Shoot. Somehow you found a four-wheel drive shopping cart. It did not exist. Put that shopping cart in four-wheel drive.
Okay, your turn. Come on! That's so close! There it is.
Easy, buddy. Just need some willpower.
It is Monday. It is day 5 over here for us, and everybody is packing up camp everywhere across this whole campground. You get headed back home, so we're doing the same. Alright, we're all packed up, hooked up, and now 4.5 hours home. So I didn't film pretty much hardly anything about in the dunes because we pretty much only went into the dunes at night. In the daytime, it's so busy out there, people coming back and forth over every direction of every dune. You can't see them until you head on with them. At night, you can see them coming, far safer. So also at night, filming in the dunes really doesn't do any good. So we just didn't film much of that, but it's a good weekend. We're over here for 5 days for Nate's birthday. That's Nate's truck right there. Now we're gonna head home, get back to work.